So yun, ibig sabihin, Doc Rhea, sobra ka pala talagang mahilig mag-aral, mag-research. Pero before nga yung naging invention mo, balik tayo nung, at the age of 23. Kasi nag-graduate ka 21, right?
Yes.
So at age of 23, paano naman mo naisipan na magtayo ng construction company?
Well, because 5 years, walang senior high school that time, no? So, 21 gumraduate kapag 5-year course. I first worked with AM Oreta Construction Company, wherein I was exposed in high-rise buildings. So, during our time, talagang mas marami yung lalaki kaysa babae.
Yeah.
So, ito yung stage na parang there's this feeling that promotion for women engineers are more slower compared sa mga lalaki. So, I was advised by my boss, why not start your own contracting company? So, that's when, at age of 23, nag-gain lang muna ako ng 2 years experience and then I started contracting.
Okay. Ang maganda nun, Doc Rhea, is nakita mo yung process and then yung mga departments, right? Kasi ginalingan mo talaga sa nung nagtatrabaho ka, kaya kaya mo na talagang magtayo ng sarili mong company.
Well, tsambahan din because my first project is LaSalle St. Benilde, no? At naswertihan ko na talagang nag-start siya from the foundation up to the finishing of 5 floors, 5-story building. So, exposed ako sa the whole cycle nung project na yun. And also, by the way, ang swerte ko din kasi hindi ako dumaan sa minimum wage. Why? Because yung De La Salle St. Benilde is cost plus. So, meaning, mataas kasi ang percentage na income ng contractor kapag cost plus. So, ang taas ng mga salaries.
And also, ang magandang nangyari sa'yo, Doc Rhea, is naniwala yung former boss mo sa'yo. Yun ba yung nagtulak sa'yo para ituloy mo talaga yung construction company?
Yes, and also, sa construction, sa totoo lang, you'll be meeting like, parang china-challenge ka ng mga boys.
Yes.
So, kailangan mo, parang asaran.
Oo.
Iba kasi nung time namin, ngayon kasi mabait na nila, no? During our time, we murahan and then sigawan sa job site, lalo na kapag full blast ang operation. So, medyo, pag nagpaparinigan kayo ng mga boys, parang papagalingan kayo and then, better get your own business. So, I do it.